Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Spotify queue glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify queue glitch, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And after that, or after these steps, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.